Everything is leading-edge technology when it's brand new. Even these cars were state-of-the-art when they first hit Alberta roads in 1914. But true innovation comes from leading the way, anticipating tomorrow. And that's what AMA has been doing for almost 90 years. AMA helped facilitate innovations like the mud flap right here in Alberta in the 30s. We also helped establish driving schools, the first dual-control driver training car, where the instructor shared control, and the AMA School Safety Patrol. AMA even helped make tow trucks like our own Old Betsy obsolete when we devised a new way to tow modern cars by the wheels instead of the frame, an innovation that's now a standard in the towing industry. We continue to pursue and encourage innovation today with real-time road reports, distracted driving initiatives, and online driver training. AMA is proud of our history on the 100-Year Road and excited about the future. Watch the 100-Year Road on City.